Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dipali Borakhade, and today in this lecture we are going to see about the course Advanced Digital System Design. This course is offered for the BE 7 semester students for Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Here we are going to see about what are the prerequisites for the course. So basically, the prerequisites which are required, that is the knowledge or the concepts which are needed for this course, is digital systems. What is mean by digital systems? Then Boolean algebra, its minimization, how the expressions are minimized, then logic gates, combinational and sequential circuits, flip-flops, resistors and counters. We will have the brief insight about all these things in these prerequisite sessions. The course contents for this course are majorly the design, digital system design. We will be discussing the syllabus later on in detail, but these are the major things which we'll be covering in this course. So we are going to learn different device technologies, its development flow, its where what are the various EDA softwares used to develop this. Also, we will see different PLDs, that is programmable logic device, its architecture and its various parameters. The language which is used to design the hardware is VHDL. We will be learning this language in this course. The all the basic concepts of VHDL will be covered in this course, all along with the synthesis. The synthesis is the process of generating hardware from the written code. So major focus on our focus will be on the synthesis part of the design. Before start, we should know what is mean by learning and what is mean by design. So when we learn something, we always follow the bottom up hierarchy. That is, first we learn the transistors, various types of transistor, PMOS, NMOS, CMOS transistors. Using those transistors, we build the gates, that is logic gate. Different logic gates, and or not, NAND, NOR, XOR. Various gates we designed using transistors. These gates forms the combinational and sequential circuits. Like using different gates, we design different combinational and sequential circuits, which constitutes to the computing blocks. And in whole, it makes the system. Like we use ALUs, we use resistors, multipliers to design a system. So when we learn, we follow bottom up, that is basic thing first, and we go on the higher or complex things later on. But when we go for designing part, we follow top-down hierarchy. That is, we first think of the application part. What is its functionality, how it will behave. Then we design the processor. Now, what the processor will consist of, that we will be deciding after that. That is, it will consist with ALU, it will consist of registers. Now, if we take ALU part, then that ALU will also consist of adder, subtractor, etc. Now, when we thought of adders, then adder is made up from gates, and gates is are indirectly made from transistor. So, while designing, we follow top-down hierarchy. Let us see, let us see different learning levels. So first we have learned transistors. Using those transistors, different gates are designed. These gates behave or functions according to the input given to it, that is AND or NOT. The truth table of one of the gate, that is AND gate, is shown here. Using these gates, different combinational and sequential circuits are designed. Here full adder is shown, which is designed using XOR gate, AND gate and OR gate. These full adders can be used to develop or design higher level of adders, that is 4-bit full adder or carry look ahead adder. So here we are adding 4 bits simultaneously and sum and the output carry is given. So this is how we follow the bottom up hierarchy for learning. So using those combinational circuits, we can design higher subsystems like multiplier or ALU. So in multiplier here manual process is shown. So in multiplier we go on repeatedly adding the thing. So we need adder here. Along with that we need different resistors which is a sequential circuit. Controller part is not shown over here. So higher subsystems can be designed using lower subsystems, that is combinational circuits. Combinational circuits are designed using gates. Gates are designed using transistor. So when we learn, we follow bottom up hierarchy. Similar way, when we want to design something, suppose for example, same example, we want to design a multiplier. So we will not think of transistors first, which transistors we are going to use. We will think of what are the different building blocks which needs to design the multiplier. So to design a multiplier, we need adder, we need resistors, we need control system signals. So when we say adder, adder is designed using full adder. So here 4-bit full adder is shown again. Now this one full adder is designed using these logic gates. These logic gates are nothing but XOR, OR, NAND and gates. And these gates are nothing but your transistor. So for designing part, we always follow bottom up hierarchy. So in next lecture, we will see the different functionality of different logic gates and what are the different device technologies. Thank you so much.